was a match made in heaven that burned like hell. First it was our wings to catch, and the rest as well. No more halos, no more Hosanna. After the day we fell, after the day we fell, well, we fell from grace and back to our house, where the glass and cracked plates were all thrown about. You were thinking out loud, where's my cloud now? Where's my cloud? Where's my cloud? You said I always placed you too high, next to an angel or saint. For that, the fault isn't mine, 'cause both of them you ain't. You're more like a dream. She saw how it makes you rain. I can't complain. Well, I'm sorry, I'm not sorry, oh, about all the things I said. Given the chance, I'd probably say them again. Well, sure, I'll be your friend. Just don't depend on me. You can't depend on me. You can't depend on me. It was a match made in heaven that burned like hell.
Jonathan Vassar and one speckled bird out of three. His wife Antonia playing the mock saw with her voice. That's quite the talent there. How does one have the skill to make like a saw with your mouth?
I don't know, but I'll teach you someday if you'd like.
Thanks. And you're a classically trained vocalist, correct?
Yes, I am.
And so that probably has something to do with it. And that's the song called?
Match Made in Heaven.
Match Made in Heaven, and you said you wrote it shortly after you guys met?
Yes. And there was something I was going to say about that. What was it? Yeah, it has nothing to do with our relationship.
Relief.
Yeah.
We'll let you come back.
But
And you guys were playing at the Little Wheel Collective downtown in Harrisonburg yesterday, and tonight you're going to be at the Camel in Richmond. I've seen you live now twice and noticed that you often have very poetic lyrics, almost literary. What's the inspiration for your songs as you're writing?
well,
And Joshua, feel free to jump in since I know that you help write a lot.
it depends. A lot of different things. I try a lot of tricks to keep stuff flowing. But what's really helped me out is just writing songs that have to do with scenes that I create. Part of that is I was a painting major when I was in school, so for me songs are very painterly, and so I'll oftentimes look at like a Hudson River School painting or something like that, or Thomas Hart Benton, and just write a song about the scene that's detailed. And a lot of those, a lot of the paintings from the 19th century and the 18th century and before that were meant as an entire story, to allow the viewer to. It's basically like a movie, like a movie in one picture. So there are a lot of details and a lot of things to pick up on. So to me, it's kind of what a song's like. It tells an entire story, but it's in a very condensed way. Anyways, that's my theory of songwriting.
You're listening to the Acoustic Cafe on WMRA. It's 12:30. I'm Lisa Hatt. In for Tina Owens. We'll be back with Jonathan Vassar and the Speckled Bird.